Hey, what's up? This is DaChampSVvAT from SWAT Productions. Got my tripod set down real low. So, yeah, I'm gonna do a screen shield install for you guys. It's gonna be my first one ever doing this, so it's not gonna be the best. And so, yeah, this is just my screen install. It's the SwitchEasy screen that came with the capsule rubber. There will be a review on that sometime soon. Let me use it for a couple of days and get back with you guys. Okay. So this is, as you all know probably, the screen shields are the membrane actually is inside of this, so it doesn't get scratched up or anything, which is really nice. So, I'm going to go ahead and use their microfiber that they provided, including my iPhone, just the face of it. See if this works any good. I never used this type of microfiber. It's really, really fine, as you guys can probably tell. Almost swiped down here. It doesn't work like as well, like all. It's for like more of the fingerprints and stuff. It works pretty decent. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so number one, let's peel this off. Oops, sorry. There it goes, you see that? So that came off pretty easy. So go ahead and pull this back. Like so. I already laid this down there, so I know about where it needs to go. So let's go ahead and try to get this set on there. I'm gonna be very quiet probably during this video, so go ahead and take the squeegee. Got little air bubbles on the side. I got a little air bubble. See if I can work that out real fast. I don't know, I'm gonna just go with it. See how this goes. This is my first time, like I said, so it's not gonna be my best. I'm gonna just go ahead and work this. I don't really care if there's air bubbles on the side. I'm just worried about the screen mostly. Oh, there's an air bubble there. Lift this up a little bit. So yeah, this isn't gonna be my best. So let's see here. So far it looks pretty decent. So that's pretty simple so far. I mean, it's not deathly hard. Just go ahead and squeeze all these air bubbles out. So far I think it's pretty decent. Hopefully you guys can see that. This is probably very boring right now. I'm sorry, I haven't been talking much. Trying to get this pretty decent at least. I don't know if that's an air bubble or not. So, I got little air bubbles on this side. Just trying to work them out. Alright, I think that's good enough for me. It's just not too bad for my first one. So then all you do is peel off the second one. Bam. Oh yeah, that feels pretty nice. So hopefully you can see some of this. I don't have like the best lighting right now, sorry. Now you can see a little bit better now, at least. So, as you can see, there isn't any air bubbles. That one, nice. It isn't tacky at all. Look at that. It's perfectly cut around. So yeah, this is a nice screen shield so far. It laid down real easy. I do not see any air bubbles at all. That is awesome. Yeah, this is DaChampSVvAT from SwitchEasy Productions. This is my first screen and shield installation. So yeah, that went very nice. SwitchEasy, you definitely got something on your screen shields. I heard so much about them, and you live up to the, I guess you can say, I don't know, but it is nice. It's not like too tacky or anything. See? Oh, hold up. See, I mean, like, you still get all the colors out of it, and it's very, this is a very thin screen shield, because like this is like real paper thin, and this is kind of thick. It's kind of thicker. So yeah, these SwitchEasy screen shields are awesome. I like the screen shields with protective film so far. I haven't tried any others, as you know. But yeah, that went on there nice. It didn't take me too long. That was my first time ever doing it. So I guess this is a video just telling you, if you never did it before, it's not too hard, and maybe this video helps someone out, you know. I didn't really know what I was doing, and I did it, and there you go. It went on there real nice. No air bubbles at all that I can see right now. Home button's cut out real nice. Wow. Yeah, I don't know, that's real nice screen shield. Like I said, These SwitchEasy Screen Shields are really nice so far. This is my first one I ever tried, so I can't really say this is the best because it's the only one I tried. Because that other case I had a screen protector built into the case. So, but yeah, this is DaChampSVvAT from SwitchEasy Productions. I'm probably boring you to death. I'm sorry. So stick with me. The review of the Capsule Rebel in at least a couple days. Let me use it, and then I'll get back at you. Alright, I'm out. Peace.